Hello, it's Barbie. I'm back with a little project I did for the Book Vandal Shop from a tutorial that Dawn had done, and it was such a cool idea that I had to drag out all of my envelopes and get busy. It was so much fun to put it together, although I'll have to admit that I kind of got my my dyslexia started kicking in, and I got my ties kind of not all on the right spot, but whatever, it does work out like that. And so I wanted to show it real quick. I used as she suggested, some of my junk envelopes that I had from I gotten through the mail, etc. Excuse me. I'm still kind of having a little bit of allergies going on here. I think everybody is, so excuse my voice. Anyhow, I had this beautiful ribbon, and I wanted to use up some of my stash, so I started out with that. And let's see, let me start out here. I have to undo that, and then this top section, that is for the back section, and this is the top section here. So it kind of ties it all together. Okay, most of the paper in here is from Graphic Fairy, the Peacock collection, which is what this is. And when I printed it out, I printed it on some, it's called linen paper, I believe. And it literally makes this paper look like fabric. I was totally amazed with how it came out. So I got it from Amazon. You can get it anywhere, I think. I don't think it's any particular brand is important, but it's called linen paper for inkjet printers. Okay, let's get on with this. This right here is just a little envelope, and I used it as a, what do you call it? A pocket. It's late in the day, so my brain's not working so good. It's not coordinating with my mouth, let's put it that way. So you know what I mean. This was a part of the kit, and I just sewed around it and put some of these pretty little tags in there. And this, I believe, is from something else. I don't believe that is from the Graphic Fairy, but nevertheless, it goes well with it. And so I just stuck in some different little tags I had in my stash, irises, etc. It says sweet, smile, and then creating. That's when I'm smiling, it's when I'm creating. Just makes me happy, what can I say? I know that's how all of y'all feel, but that's why it's such a great group of ladies. Everybody just loves everybody else's stuff, and Dawn has started a new challenge, which I think is awesome, and you need to go over and check out her channel. I'll see if I can get it put on the bottom of my video here. I'm not real technically savvy, if you know what I mean, so it may take me a while to figure it out, but I think I can link it over to her video that's talking about her challenge. But she's trying to do things to help out people who are just starting or don't have very many subbies, which is really a sweet thing to do. So we need to all support her. I've just started doing this as well, and I don't have very many subbies either, but I do it just because I like to do it, and I just think it's makes me happy. So I'm kind of slow with getting these videos up, basically because, like I said, I'm not real savvy on technology. So I'm figuring it out, though, if you'll just hang in there. Okay, let's move on. Some of Tracy Fox's little labels, the botanical labels I use there and throughout. This paper here is Fern, I believe it's called, and again it's through Graphic Fairy. This is an Artie Mae's tag from her iris kit. Just beautiful irises. Of course, irises is one of my favorite things. Again, this is Graphic Fairy, and I believe it's 1840s collection. It's some of the most beautiful paper I've ever seen. And again, it looks like it's, when you print it out on this paper, it makes it really look like it's leather. And this almost has a three-dimensional quality to it. It's just really awesome. Tim Holtz butterflies. And then that flips open. And again, I believe this is one of Graphic Fairy's digis. And I did a little Franken paper. Let me see if I can get it up there. And then I cut it out, you know, and made a tag. It's really fun to do. I know several ladies have showed how they do the Franken paper, but it really is something that anybody can do. Gail Gossinelli has done it. Nick the Booksmith, I believe, has done a session on it, or a video on it. So go check their channels out. Again, that's just a collage on a window envelope. Then I put a piece of old paper in there has that pretty handwriting on it, which I think is just beautiful. Some fussy cutting out, some vintage polka dot fabric. Another good place to get some really pretty fabric. And the best thing about her fabric is it smells wonderful. I don't know if she puts vanilla in it or what, but it just smells beautiful. I don't know. Anyhow, check her out. Beautiful, beautiful things. Again, this is another, I used some Stamperia paper for the background and then just did some collage work there. That's a die cut I had. I believe Roxy with, I can't remember her channel at the moment. Everybody probably knows Roxy though. She lives in Italy. She recommended these die cuts. And if you, I'll try to put that down on my description if I can figure out where they came from. But they are good die cuts. And again, it's just some other, there's the other side of the die cut, flipped over, fussy cutting, and put the name of the flower down here on the bottom of the tag. And that slips in the top, like so. That opens up, and these are Graphic Fairies. I believe it's called, let's see, Lilies, I think. I don't know. And maybe I'm wrong on that. I better not say. Another cute little tag. And I just did some stenciling on the back. Fit in there, like so. And this is another envelope. Again, that's the Peacock collection from Graphic Fairy. Some Franken paper and a little cute little parrot I found. Some Tracy Fox labels. Love Junk Journals on Etsy. She's the queen of labels. And fussy cut I did here. Some of the fern paper from Graphic Fairy. This here I believe is Tracy Fox. And I don't know the name of the collection, but I believe that's hers. This is my porch print. And it's just a letter that I folded up. And you can write on the back. And put it in there. So, now let's see. There you go. Okay, so that flips like so, here, here, and then like that, and then this ties up here. It's just such a cool idea that Dawn came up with. And I really enjoyed putting it together. Okay, and then this opens up, and inside is this another pocket. And I found these. I thought they were cool. Some kind of a thorny looking, thistle looking, I don't know what it is, seed pot of some sort. Again, just some little things that I thought looked cool in here and fit. Butterfly, a Tracy Fox. I think this might be a Mrs. Cog's digital, but that I'm not sure of. I made a little clip for this, and I used to raise sheep, and we had a lot of sheep, so I decided I'd put the sheep in, and I found these really cute sheep, and I collaged it on there. Tea-dyed paper, actually it's coffee-dyed. Did some stitching. Here's another page out of the 1840s collection. Some stenciling. There's some more little sheep. This is a file from Graphic Fairy I put in there. Digital prints. Some really cool mulberry paper I got from Amazon. I believe this is a Tracy Fox bird, fussy cut bird. And some coffee dyeing, lace coffee dyed paper I've done. And some more mulberry. Okay, and that's the journal. And then there's a little pocket back here. And it flips up. And then there's a journaling card in there. And I did that all with the let's see, it's kind of a black and white, although it's not really black, it's kind of like a dark blue, but it's a mono print, flowers and mushrooms, etc. And then I had some, I believe it was from the old oh gosh, what's the name of that place? I'm brain dead. The Old Design Shop, I believe that is some digi ledgers that I got from her shop. Anyhow, so that is my little envelope. It's envelope letter stack, I think is what it's called, or stack. Anyhow, I will try to find Dawn's link to her tutorial and put it down at the bottom, so maybe y'all can go check it out and make you one. I am going to probably end up putting this in my Etsy shop, so I will put the link down at the bottom if I decide to do that. And if anybody's interested in it, you can go over and grab it. Oh, I didn't show you the back. Here's the back. Again, that paper is just gorgeous. It looks like a brocade or something. So that's it for right now. I hope you come back and check out my channel. And I'm going to be doing some little tutorials off and on. Haven't decided for sure yet what, but when something inspires me, or I make a mistake and do something wrong and it comes out different than the tutorial I watched, maybe I'll do a tutorial on it. But whatever. Thank you for watching, and thank you for visiting my channel. And so this is Barbie signing off. See you next time.